Advent OE Sound Solutions Quick Start Tutorial. Navigation Operation. The SD slot that is located behind the map cover holds an SD card with all of the map data and needs to remain in the slot at all times in order for the navigation to operate. For map upgrades, please contact Horizon at www.horizonnav.com. You can access the navigation function by pressing either the Nav or Destination button on the side of your front panel, or by pressing the navigation icon on the touchscreen's main menu. Pressing the Nav button will also toggle between audio source menus and the navigation screen while navigating. The navigation will continue in the background while continuing to speak directions. Located on the touchscreen's main navigation screen are the options: address or intersection, point of interest, history, favorites, coordinates, place on map, home, office, trip computer, and setup. Address or intersection allows you to travel to an address by using the on-screen keyboard. Point of interest gives you the ability to browse or search for specific points of interest. The history icon allows you to return to a previous destination. The favorites icon is your address book and allows you to store frequently used destinations. Selecting the coordinates icon gives you the ability to enter a destination via coordinates. You can browse for a destination by pressing the Place on Map icon. Home address is a one-button setting that will allow you to navigate home. Office address is another one-button setting. Trip computer will display information such as speed, trip, odometer, and clock. And setup allows you to configure your navigation to suit your needs. Your system allows you to enter a destination many different ways. The first of which is by entering an address. Press the address or intersection icon to begin entering an address into the system. Before you set your destination, be sure to set the state you are in or looking for by pressing the state or province icon. Once this is set, there is no need to reset unless you are going to search in a different state. Set state by typing in the state's letters on the touchscreen's keypad. This system utilizes predictive text, which will predict the next letter and gray out unused ones. After your state is set, next enter the city in the same way. If at any time you are not sure what screen you are on, it is located in the upper left of the touchscreen. Once the city is recognized, you will automatically be prompted for the street. Enter the street name using the same method as previous. Once the street is recognized, you will be prompted for the street number. Press the checkmark icon to access the Start Route screen. Note, if a specific address has changed or is new, the system may give the closest known address. In many situations, you will want to find a specific point of interest near you. For this, you will search using the Point of Interest function. Select the Point of Interest icon to bring up the POI Search Criteria menu. Select the Category icon to view a list of possible categories. Press the blue up or down arrows on the right side of the screen to scroll. Then press your desired point of interest. Press the city icon in which you would like to find a point of interest. Press the name icon to retrieve a specific list of points of interest with the specific name on it. Press folder search icon at the bottom of the touchscreen to sort by name or distance. Select your POI to access the Start Route screen. Press Start Route to start the route. From the Start Route screen, you can also look for another POI near the destination, such as parking. Save the specific POI or set up your route criteria. Located on the Select Location screen are one-touch buttons for your home and office. These buttons allow you to quickly navigate from your current location back home or to the office. To save an address into either of these for the first time, Start by pressing the house icon or the office icon. If the home or office address is not already set, a screen will appear stating home address is not set. Set home address. Press the check mark to continue. From the Save Location screen, press Address or Intersection and enter the corresponding address as you would a destination, and press the checkmark icon when finished. After pressing the checkmark, the Start Route screen will appear. Press Save, then choose either Save as Home or Save as Office. The screen will say Home Location Saved. Press the checkmark icon and you have completed the setup process. During navigation, your touchscreen will display your route in yellow, as well as your surroundings and information about your trip and area around you. Let's run through what some of the icons on the screen represent. Starting from the top left, you have an arrow. This shows your next turn or maneuver. Next is the junction or next turn or exit number. Moving across the top is the distance to your destination. Then the estimated arrival time. And finally, the repeat voice prompt for when a change in navigation is coming up. While en route, it is possible to change the volume on the voice prompts by turning the volume down when the prompt is speaking. Note: when you mute the entire system, all audio is muted, including navigation. In addition, when you are using the Bluetooth feature, the navigation audio prompts will be muted until finished with your call. Moving down the sides of the touchscreen, you have a plus and minus symbol. These are used to zoom in and out of the map. During navigation, you can press the screen icon to switch between 2D, which is the default, 3D or bird's eye, and split screen. When in 3D mode, you can change the angle of the horizon line by pressing the plus and minus below the screen mode icon. Your speed is displayed on the left side, and your current position on the map is represented by a blue and red arrow. Moving down the left side, you have your compass heading, map scale, navigation menu icon, and current location. Finally, on the bottom right, you have your GPS strength, mute voice prompts, and map location. Map location is used to select a quick POI, or point of interest that would be around your current location. If you would like to cancel your route while you are navigating to it, simply press the menu button in the lower left corner and press the Cancel Route icon. This concludes the Quick Start for navigation. Refer to your owner's manual for additional information.